What's up, everybody? I want to show you something cool today. So this is a Samsung phone, as we can see, right? And this is the Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro. But if we turn the phone on, you'll see it's going to load the nice Samsung logo. So it tells you what model it is too. And then it's going to load the LG logo. And at first glance, you're kind of like, what is happening? What is going on? Why is it loading the LG logo? There it is right there. So you see the LG logo, but you're like, wait, this is a Samsung phone. Why is an LG logo coming up? That makes no sense. So to tell you guys about this, if we here in America are probably not too familiar, this phone is directly from Korea. And although Samsung and LG do share, or should say work together and collaborate on a couple things with like TV panels and chipsets here and there, but very little do they. They're competitors first, and they don't want to actually collaborate at all. But there's a network brand by the name of LGU Plus, and this phone is branded to that network, so that's why it loads that LG logo in the beginning. So it's kind of funny, you see a Samsung phone and it loads its competitor's logo right on the screen right after the Samsung logo. So that is why they do that. If you do a quick search, you'll know that LG and Samsung do not make stuff together. I know Samsung makes screens for Apple and things of that nature, but I thought that was kind of cool. You don't see that every day because this phone is directly from Korea, so that's why it loads that way. But you learn something new every day. So there you guys go. So if you see a Samsung phone that loads an LG logo, doesn't mean that they collaborated. It just means it's the carrier is actually LG U Plus is what I want to call it down there. But hope you guys found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.